Alright, this is John Colo with OKRaw.com. Today we have another exciting episode for you. In this episode, we're going to do a tropical fruit unboxing. So yes, I got a tropical fruit box here. This was shipped UPS next day air from the Fruit Hunters in Miami, Florida. You know, so I have done unboxing in the past of Miami fruit, and I love Miami fruit. And here's the thing, guys, like, I'm glad for any company that will ship fresh fruits and vegetables all over the country to make some more rare and exotic produce available for you guys. The other thing I will say is that some of these companies are quite expensive, and I've never dealt with a Fruit Hunters before, so we got a sample box, and I'll show you guys actually what I got. The cool thing is the prices are basically kind of comparable with Miami Fruit, so you may get a better deal at Fruit Hunters, you may get a better deal at Miami Fruit. Their size of the boxes are not exactly created equal, so it's going to be a little bit interesting to compare. But let's go ahead and open up this box. So this box is actually nice and heavy duty. They're not using cheap quality boxes, so the fruit has less probability of getting damaged. Once we open it up, you can see we got a nice little cute sticker, the Fruit Hunters, and we got a little card that says thank you. Oh, and it has a little QR code to check out the fruit ripening. And here's a coupon code for your next order that says thank you for 10% off. As you guys can see, they're packing with this paper stuff, which basically in my house gets all shredded and goes into my compost. And as you guys can see inside here, we got lots of tropical fruits all wrapped up in this individual plastic kind of styrofoamy stuff. All right, so we got a Mamey Sapote. Looks really nice, still firm. Oh, and check this out, guys. I haven't had one of these in forever. This is a Monstera deliciosa. So if you think pineapple, this is kind of like reminiscence of a pineapple. What happens is these little scales fall off a little bit at a time, and only when the scales fall off, only then can you eat it. Otherwise, it's going to burn the heck out of your mouth due to the enzymes. You can see some of them are already falling off here, but I'm just going to set this in a cup and let the scales fully fall off until I even think about eating this. Don't eat it too early. Next up, oh, looks like we got some kind of sugar apple right here. Nice and firm, not ready to eat yet, so I'm glad they're shipping firmer fruit so that it's not going to get damaged. Here's the avocado. Look at this avocado, guys. This is insanity in an avocado. Look how big that thing is. That thing's giant. I think this is like a purple avocado here, maybe on the inside, I'm not sure. But that's really nice size avocado. And that's the cool thing about these companies, you know, the Fruit Hunters, you know, they hunt for fruit and find some super rare, where they work with local growers and imported fruits of the highest quality. And it's literally a family business. So let's see, here's some more packing. And we got some more Mamey Sapote right here. Nice and firm. We still got a whiles on that. Here's another Mamey Sapote. Also nice and firm. Here's another Mamey Sapote, nice and firm. And another Mamey Sapote, nice and firm. So yeah, today I'm not able to eat any of this Fruit Hunter box, and this whole box weighed 15 pounds, and for a 15-pound box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mamey Sapotes, a sugar apple, Monstera, and a large avocado. So yeah, that's the unboxing video. And if I'm able, I'm going to try to make a video when some of these fruits actually ripen up to show you guys my thoughts on them. Alright, so now I want to give you guys an update on the Fruit Hunters fruit box they sent me. It's like 4 days later. It arrived on Thursday. Today is currently Sunday, and all the fruit has ripened. And I know you're thinking, John, that fruit looks messed up, man. Well, yeah, I had it in a box. I was bringing it in to film this video. It was on the edge, and I knocked it, and then they fell on the ground, and like they were so ripe, they all basically just mashed open. So I'm so sad that this happened, and I was like trying to eat some off the floor to save it. But you know what I'll say is everything ripened up perfectly. I mean, when the Monstera came, some of the little scales were falling off, and you guys could see it. They basically just all fell off really nice. This guy's ripened up really good. How you eat this is we're just going to go ahead and peel off one of these top little fruit things. These are high in oxalic acid, so they could like burn your mouth if they're not ripe. So we want to make sure it's ripe as possible. Man, that's probably one of the best Monsteras I've ever tasted. You definitely don't want to eat too much at once. You'll definitely feel it in your mouth, like the tingle feel. Next up, we're going to go ahead and try the sugar apple. This thing was just so ripe, man. It just fell and then burst open. But I mean, I haven't had one of these since I was like in Hawaii. This is simply amazing too. This is full of seeds. Next up, my so sad Mamey Sapotes that literally got munched when they fell on the ground. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to cut this open. These are so ripe. They ripen like the best of any Mamey Sapote I've had in my house here. Normally when I buy them, they just don't really ripen up right. I mean, these guys are so soft. It's totally insanity. And it's more insanity that they dropped. Wow. If I had to rate Mamey Sapote on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being ones that I've bought locally, shipped from Florida at the grocery store that just don't ripen up, and then half of them are still hard, the other half soft. Like these have ripened up everywhere, all the way around. They're just so soft, all ready to eat at the same time, which is not necessarily that great. These are definitely going to go in the fridge. But these have ripened up perfectly, which is something I haven't really seen before unless maybe I'm in Florida. So I got to give it to the fruit hunters who hunt and pick the ripest fruit that will ripen up for you guys according to this, my experience today. It's quite delicious too. Finally up, the Avo. This is all ripe too, and then it basically fell on the floor, didn't bust open, but it's all like totally bruised. So I want to go ahead and cut it open for you guys to show you guys what it looks like. All right, check out this Mondo avocado. Look at that crazy avocado. Oh, there goes the pit. Yeah, this is one crazy avocado. Let's go ahead and try it. We'll try the bruised part here for you guys, let you know what it tastes like. I expect this to be more of a watery avocado, not buttery. Yeah. Sure enough, this is a watery avocado, kind of like the ones from Florida. Definitely lower fat content than the Haas that you guys are used to. So pretty much, to sum up my experience with the fruit hunters, it was an excellent experience. And when you guys get a shipment of fruit, treat it with kid gloves, right? Don't sit it on the edge of a table and don't like be clumsy and knock it like I did and then get all your fruit messed up. I want you guys to pay attention to your fruit every day. Check it little by little and eat them as they ripen up. Follow all the ripening directions that they show you guys, and you guys will have an excellent experience like I did today. You guys want more videos in the future with Fruit Hunter Fruit Box unboxing? Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. More importantly, share this with other people that are looking to buy some amazing tropical fruits online and to get them shipped direct to you through overnight shipping direct from Florida. So I'll put the website up right there and use a coupon code OKRAW for a 10% off discount on your order at Fruit Hunters. Also be sure to share this video with other people that love fruit and so they can find out where they can get some fresh fruit shipped directly to them. Also be sure to click that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on my new and upcoming episodes I've coming out every 5 to 7 days. You never know where I'll show up or what you'll be learning on my YouTube channel. And make sure you click the little bell to get notified as many videos come out. Finally, be sure to check out past episodes. The past episodes are wealth of knowledge. Over 700 episodes at this time, teaching you guys all about how and why and where to get some of the best fruits and vegetables on the planet. So with that, my name is John Kohler with OKRaw.com. We'll see you next time, and until then, remember, keep eating your fresh fruits and vegetables. They're always the best.